Do you know how to factory reset your iPhone or iPad? I'm Kurt the CyberGuy, and I've got tips for all your devices over at CyberGuy.com, where you can also sign up for my free newsletter. You don't typically need to reset your Apple device to its factory settings. However, it is good to know how to do this if the time comes. If you trade in your device for an upgrade, for example, sell it to someone or give it away for any reason, you're going to want to factory reset it. Even if you log out of your accounts or iCloud, hackers are able to get back into accounts more easily than you may think. Always back up your devices so you can reinstall your apps and data on a new one. And if you suspect malware on your device, do not reinstall a recent backup. Instead, use an earlier version. Factory reset is also a good option if you ever become a victim of a hacking or malware or any other cyber attack. If you've got an iPhone or iPad, tap Settings, tap General, and then tap Transfer or Reset. Then tap Erase All Content and Settings. If asked, you should enter your passcode or Apple ID password. Then confirm you want to erase your device. This may take a little while as there's a lot to delete, so be patient and give it a few minutes. Then your iPhone or iPad will work just like new, and you'll have to set up anything on it just like you did when you first took it out of the box. For more ways to keep your devices private, head to cyberguy.com and sign up for my free newsletter.